Morning children, how are you? Hope you all finished your work what I gave yesterday and posted to your teacher. So welcome back to another class with EG words. Today we will do match the following, okay? But before we start that, let's do some finger exercise. You have to write today lots, okay? So open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close, okay, open, close. Now join your hands like this, close, open, close, open, close, open, okay. Now do like this, straight, now bend, straight, again bend, take this hand, do the same, bend, straight, bend, okay. So now we are ready, alright. See, first let's revise the words, okay? M-E-G, meg, M-E-G, meg, P-E-G, peg, P-E-G, peg, L-E-G, leg, L-E-G, leg, B-E-G, beg, B-E-G, beg, K-E-G, keg, K-E-G, keg, T-E-G, teg, T-E-G. We have done these words. Now you will match them with these pictures over here. Alright. So let's look for Meg. Meg, I told you, is the name of a girl. So here we go. Here we found Meg. Right. So you also do with me while I am doing. Alright. Peg. Let's find where is peg. Here. Down. Peg is here. You will also do neatly. Leg. Where is leg? Leg is down here. Beg. Where is beg? We have beg here. Keg. Where is keg? Keg is here. And where is teg? See, we have teg right on top. Okay? So children, I am repeating once again, you do, okay? Leg, beg, keg, peg, teg and meg. Now I will rub out these lines. I showed you how to do it. You have to do it on your own, okay? This is how you have to do. This is how you have to do the matching. Now I will give you some sentences. Alright. How to use these words in sentences. Alright. T H E, the, T H E, the. P E G, peg, P E G, peg, the peg, I S, is, O N, the peg is on the keg, K-E-G, keg. The peg is on the keg. See, you have a picture over here in your book. The peg is on the keg. Alright. Next sentence. M E G, meg, M-E-G, meg. Sit on the bed. Meg sit on the bed. Alright, next sentence. I have, H-A-V-E, have. I have, T-W-O, two legs, L-E-G-S, legs. I have two legs. All right. T-H-E, the, D-O-G, dog. C-A-N, can. B-E-G, beg. Okay, I will read and you write slowly, children. Write very neatly and write slowly. Okay, T-H-E, the, P-E-G, peg, I-S is, O-N, on, T-H-E, the, K-E-G, keg. The peg is on the keg. The peg is on the keg. Got it, children? Okay. Now the second sentence. Okay. M-E-G, meg, S-I-T, sit, O-N, on, T-H-E, the, B-E-D, bed. Meg, sit on the bed. Meg, sit on the bed. I have two legs. I have two legs. I-H-A-V-E, have, T-O-T-W-O, two. I-H-A-V-E, have, T-W-O, two. L-E-G-S, legs. I have two legs. The dog can beg. T-H-E, the, T-H-E, the, D-O-G, dog. C-A-N, can. B-E-G, beg. The dog can beg. Once more I will repeat and you write. Okay. The peg is on the keg. Meg, sit on the bed. I have two legs. The dog can beg. Alright. Now for homework, I've just given you the first letters. T, M, P, K, B, L. You have to fill in the blanks. Alright. You have already done. This is your homework. Alright. And with that you will write each word 5 times. Okay, children, you will do this. These two are your classwork you have done. This is your homework, and these words you will write 5 times each and post it to your teacher. So bye bye. See you tomorrow.